What's up, sneakerheads? First things first, let's talk about the design. Nike has teamed up once again with Wu Tang Clan, bringing back a classic sneaker that blends hip-hop culture with iconic streetwear style. The Wu Tang Dunk is inspired by the Clan's bold, aggressive vibe and unmistakable aesthetic. You can't miss the bold black and yellow colorway, paying homage to the Wu Tang logo and their legendary Enter the Wu Tang 36 Chambers album. The shoe features a premium leather upper, with the black base giving it that sleek, timeless look while the bright yellow accents really make it pop. And of course, the Wu Tang logo makes its appearance on the heel. It's not just a logo, it's a symbol of hip-hop culture, a nod to the group's influence on music and streetwear. The Dunk High silhouette gives you that classic, high-top feel, a style that's perfect for both basketball courts and the streets. It's durable, stylish, and it gives you that extra ankle support while you rock it with any fit. Let's not forget about the sole. The Nike Dunk High Wu Tang 2024 edition is equipped with the standard dunk cushioning, offering comfort for all-day wear. Whether you're heading out to a concert, hanging with friends, or just flexing on your own, these kicks are built for both style and performance. The Christmas sale at Rep Sneaker is in full swing, offering amazing deals on some of the hottest sneakers. Use the code MARY for 16% off any order, or Christmas to get 18% off orders over $255. You can grab iconic Air Jordan 1s or Dunks for just $89, or score the Air Jordan 4s for only $99, plus, enjoy free shipping. It's the perfect time to treat yourself or pick up a holiday gift.